It is.
Slightly modified Pi Wind. We put a push-in breadboard so we can then connect our Rio and our Pi to it. So I've also now made Pi Wind V2 with various improvements. One is the bottom of the lettering now has a plinth on it. It's got a rather fancy bracket which is held on with stainless steel screws. It's got some pillow bearings in which spin nicely. Pretty much again breadboard stuck on the side, push in one, so obviously those connectors can work all right. Same with that one, so it's interchangeable, so we can have a little play with it. So we're very happy with this. Yes, this is very good. Again, the recycled soft drink bottle bottoms, so we're recycling nicely. Yeah, and a little touch there on the Pi Wind. I put a screw above the eye, just a little touch there, but yeah, nice and sturdy. White sensor at the bottom there, which passes the reflective IR sensor. I've heat shrinked the connectors on that one, and on this one I haven't done it. It's just a bit of a sloppy job there really, but there you are. So yeah, very happy with it. So we'll check it out tomorrow. We're going to give them a test run in the garden. Chris and Joe here. Joe's just busy setting up the. You're doing the spreadsheet, aren't you, Joe?
Yeah.
Joe's just setting this up now. How long will it run for, Joe?
I guess 2 hours.
So interval between checks. Is this in seconds?
Yes.
So should we make it like every 5 minutes?
Is that right?
Is that right? Yeah, 300, yeah.
Should we have the precise measurements, or should it be rounded down?
Just do as you wish, Joe. So you go, Joe's connected up there, and there we have, if you look, Pi Wind 2. This is the updated version of Pi Wind, and there it is.
It works.
And there you go down there. Joseph just said it works. Clearly it works. Oh, there it goes. It's going like the clappers. Oh my goodness gracious, it's like a blooming gale out there. Anyway, happy days.